Right, so we got this MGB in, as having a full exterior respray, so we're currently just stripping it down, and so the panels we can unbolt, we're going to take off to get sandblasted, and then the rest of it will be hand stripped, grinder, sander, that sort of thing. Yeah, so you've got Jakub stripping some of the mechanical bits. Yeah, this is going to be hopefully a nice quick job.
So we're doing this teardown on this MGB. Pretty standard, it was going nice and easy. I thought it can be a nice, cool, calm, lovely day outside in the fresh air. Get to the windshield and find a bit of a nasty surprise. Got a slight suspicion that it might need a new dashboard.
All right, so the XL, it's had some body work done. It's now, I think it was epoxied and then primed. Did I say XL? Yeah. Esprit, it's had some body work done. It's been epoxied, been primed, and yeah, it's just waiting for a little bit more, finalising, make sure there is no dents or anything dodgy left. The hatch itself has sort of roughly been done and needs a bit more work. But yeah, that's getting closer. The owner of this car is currently rebuilding the engine. I think he's nearly there. We actually, slight update, he has bought brand new aluminium fuel tanks to go back in, which will be a great upgrade for this car, and obviously should see it through for many, many years. So yeah, I mean, it'll be fun trying to get them back in, as they were pretty fun to get out.
Last time you saw me, this would have been in the booth. Now it's out, everything's been epoxied, all nicely sealed up. So the process of making it flat has well and truly started. We've gone around the car, sort of marked out the areas that need work and started to apply the filler where needed, blocking it down. It's definitely looking good. We put a good few days into this now, trying to get the gaps flush, like the door between the rear wings, the front wings. Yeah, it's all been coming together really. Quite a lot of sanding work, a few long days and stuff, but it's actually not that far off in terms of these side panels and everything. We haven't quite started on the top yet. I've been getting the rear end quite nice. Jay, who's the new guy who started working with us, has been focusing on the front end here, which is looking lovely. The gap between here and the bonnet is quite smooth. We've fixed, there was an area here which was looking pretty bad, so we've reinforced it with some matting underneath and reshaped it to fit around the bonnet. So yeah, altogether it's looking pretty good. There's a lot more of this work like we're currently doing before we can really move on to the next step, but once that's done, it'll be back in epoxy again, blocked down again, primed, blocked down, painted, polished, done. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda. Job's not done.
Now stark, bare and naked, and in doing so, in addition to what was underneath the dashboard, we found some more previous repairs down here on the sill, been covered in filler, and this wing has been welded back together. So we're basically now just waiting on what the customer wants to do with it, how far he wants to take it, because obviously we can cover it back up and leave it as it was, or we can refinish it and give them the confidence that it's done properly. Can't really make any substantial work while we're waiting for the customer's word. It's just cleaning up the little bits that we missed on the initial stripping, getting in all the nooks and crannies and getting rid of most of what's left.
Alright, so we've got this Lincoln Continental in. We've had it up on the lift just now. That was quite interesting because there's 2 separate moving dollies underneath it. It's such a big, heavy car, even though the interior is stripped down and stuff. It's still got the whole drivetrain. Yeah, we were just assessing it, just seeing, you know, how much we're going to have to do. It's got sort of a half-made 4-link suspension setup in the rear, so that needs finishing. Yeah, and we're just going to, well, see how far the client wants to go with it, whether they want to rebuild this engine or if we're going to put some sort of crate engine in it. Yeah, I'm not sure really, like, it's really early days with this. It was more just get it in, have a look at it, and go from there.